Good morning, man. Such a nice day, and it feels like the air here is so clean and crisp. Like, man, this feels so nice. It feels different to like Sydney and all that kind of stuff. But today's a good day. We had a nice sleep. I'm refreshed. Had a nice shower. Had an amazing coffee. I can't get over this view. So look. Mad. So there's a balcony from where we're staying. And these people hooked us up real good. So shout out to them. I'll put their name here. Check them out when you come here. I think this is one of the best views you can get in Queenstown in regards to like hotel and all that kind of stuff, Airbnbs. Best place. So today we're gonna go for a long drive. So we're going to Milford Sound. We're gonna go past like Arrowtown, all that kind of stuff. I think we have like a boat tour under the waterfall. I don't know. She planned it. I'm just gonna drive, but it's a long drive. 3-hour drive apparently. But first, we're gonna get some brekkie, get some energy, get some food on us, and then drive. We have a good car. Good car. It's yellow. It's shit, but it's good. But literally, there's not even like a sound right now that's out there. Listen to it. Nothing. It's so nice. Yeah, sick view. Alright, we'll keep you updated. We'll go inside. Bro, I thought I was locked out. You ready? Well, let's go. Show them the ugly room. You've destroyed it. Your clothes are everywhere.
Yeah.
And it's actually a mad room. Just ignore the bedroom, it's a mess. What's up, G?
What up, G? You ready for a good day?
Yeah, ready for a good day.
I'm not.
So what I was saying is before, this looks like the Titanic. It does, no?
Yeah.
I don't know why, but these doors remind me of it.
Yeah, it does.
Maybe we are in the Titanic. We'll never know. But who's in this freaking jacuzzi already?
It's good. People from last night. Maybe this place has a breakfast.
They do have a breakfast there. Yeah. I looked at their menu, it's not that nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll go to, what's it called? The boat shed?
Yeah, the boat shed. One?
Yeah.
Doors closing.
Outfit check.
Wait, day 2.
Where's my gloves?
You said that they're in the car.
You said they were in the car.
Well, if they
They're
were
in the car.
well, if they were,
I'm gonna chop my hands
then you're
off.
responsible for the law.
Oh no. What's up, bro? Man, look at the sun there. Eh? It's 10 degrees right now, apparently. It doesn't look that nice from the outside. The units.
But it's actually really nice inside.
This is nice, look at this. Wow. It's gonna get, I reckon it's gonna be so cold today. Have a good night's sleep. I woke up like probably like 16 times to piss.
It's a peeing machine, man.
I can't stop. Otherwise I'll piss the bed.
Wait, can't stop, won't stop.
I'll piss the bed, then what?
Yeah, no, present to that.
Yesterday was crazy busy on these roads. So hopefully today's good. Is there food on this boat we're going with?
No. Just coffee.
How long is the boat ride?
I think it's like 2 hours.
What, 2 hours of coffee? Oh, yeah. What a car. Hey? Lock the car, mate. Bruv.
Oh.
It's not a car, man. You're gonna get it stolen. Moved. Alright, come. We're gonna eat at a place called the Boat Shed. Looks alright. Oh, it's cold. Is this it? Open from 8 AM. Looks like a house, bro.
It's Is that the right one?
You said the boat shed.
Oh, hold on.
You do nothing with these photos anyway.
What the hell?
Looks like a mess, but it looks nice. It's not a coffee, is it? Or half coffee?
Mocha.
I'm only having a mocha because I've had 2 coffees already.
But there is in that caffeine.
Caffeine? Coffee?
Yeah.
Right, that's nice.
I've never had it yet.
No, mate, the coffee, yeah, I've had it. Oh, there's hash browns here. Wow. So there's chorizo, eggs, cheese. What is this cheese? Halloumi? Feta. And spinach. And tomato, cucumber. There's a lot of things in here. Tastes nice. I reckon that was like the nicest breakfast I've had.
Really?
I haven't had a breakfast out in a while.
Yeah.
So you want to take me out?
They're building all these new infrastructure to accommodate all of the tourists, like you and
Like
I.
me.
But honestly, like, look at that view, man.
Look at the water.
Look at it. Oh, just look at it.
Would you look at that?
Look, that's a helicopter. Look at that.
Oh shit, that's just sparked it.
Oh shit. That's really bad. You're going to jail.
It's so cold, man.
This guy, he comes out of the bedroom, he's wearing a tee and a vest and is like, well, you reckon I'll be alright? I looked at him and I said, were you born yesterday, mate?
God damn, you're fine.
Watch out.
For who?
The boogeyman.
Watch out for what? There's nothing around me, bro.
See? For that. But you didn't know that was coming.
I need to go before someone come and kills me.
Come on, Cuzzy.
Come and kisses me.
On the road again.
Back to where I came from. What? Can I drive in the water?
Yeah, this actually becomes a boat.
Bro, the sun's strong. Hey.
Went to the gym today.
What?
Went to the gym.
Who? Oh, the sun. I'll go put this on airplane mode.
Looks like Switzerland Day.
Oh well. It's not even fucking.
But you guys wouldn't know that.
So this is why you're not allowed on the fucking GoPro. See the speed
What?
I can't see the sun, man. Needs to like relax a bit. Someone needs to put the brightness. Bro!
Oh my god!
You see that guy?
I thought we were just gonna witness a homicide.
You recording?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh damn.
I'm busy recording.
Well, I swear to God, someone's like locks from his.
What?
Like the brightness is so high, bro.
But what did you say?
Someone needs to lock.
Oh my god!
You need to stop dropping your phone, hey.
I think it's on the little chat.
Pedal to the metal. Family is everything. Without family, we are nothing. Vin Diesel. They offered me a role to be Vin Diesel, but I just shaved my head bald. So I said no.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't want him to kiss Letty.
Letty's a bad bitch. She's a fast driver, not like you. At least she knows how to drive. You can't fucking walk.
Shut your mouth! Shut it! I follow road rules. Maybe you can do quiet parts of the video when it's just like the... What?
I was overtaking.
Don't do it right now.
Stop. Oh, dude, my back hurts. Hold that, let me stretch. Oh man. We're gonna get, wow, everyone's here. Quickly, let's go. We're gonna get some snacks, hopefully.
Maybe your mobile's in the bag.
Pass this, I can buy some shit. Get some snacks. Visit the restroom too. Maybe have. Go. Oh, it's big. Lovely. Such a nice day, man. Look at the view. Look at these bad boys. Look at the view. The mountains and that. So the highest mountains, there's snow on there. But I think we have about an hour and a half left drive. It's a long drive, man. This place better be worth it. Like, I've been driving for ages. My back is broken. I think I'm gonna see if there's pizza or something inside so I can eat, because I'm starving, eh? I know we're just eating breakfast, but that was like an hour ago, and I get hungry every half an hour. So we'll see what's inside, and hopefully there's something nice. Can I get inside? There's a lock down. I can. There's a bar there. Look at me. Kind of looks like you.
That's my cousin.
You both have long necks. But take a look around, eh? Look where the fuck we are. You idiot. Whoa. To eat. We need the fuel. How am I gonna? As soon as I buy, it's gonna come out from there.
Wow.
Whoa.
Is it nice?
That's alright, bro.
I'm not hungry.
I was giving it to you. I was giving it to the camera.
We're not hungry.
What's up? I'll take a pit stop at Lake Gun. My legs are tired, man.
Maybe.
Can you see that gap in between? The tree
Yeah.
fell in there, probably.
Nah,
The tree
babe.
came, yeah, and destroyed everything.
Babe, how big would that tree of need it to be to make that?
Mom, Dad! You made it! We're in it? Oh, yeah, we are. Now we're going to continue driving to the... Where are we going again?
Milford.
Alfred.
Milford.
Oh, is it Milford? Who the fuck's Alfred then? Man, we overtook so many cars and now we're going to be behind everyone here. And the bus too. Oh man, it's going to be a long drive now. How long have we got left? 40
minutes.
40 minutes.
Oh, I have to wee wee. I don't have my pants.
Are you ringing happy? Look, they're hitchhiking. Should we pick him up?
No, thank you.
You want to pick him up?
Yeah, let's go.
Do you want to pick him up?
Yeah. No. Sorry.
Who the... Bro, why would you hitchhike? And it's two girls,
did you
man.
get here?
How'd you even get here? We've been driving for hours. You can't just spawn here.
It's crazy. Like, I don't get how they got here. What if no one picks them up and they...
What if a killer picks him up? Like, what about if we're killers and we pick him up?
That's crazy. Like, I feel bad for him, but like...
I should have picked him up, right? I'll put him in the back seat and then put the car accelerator and me and you both jump out.
Put a brick on the accelerator.
And jump him off the cliff.
That's crazy. Like I do. Like, I feel bad for them.
I know.
But like...
I really know. How'd you get here?
Like, what if their car broke down?
They're not.
Like, in that case, they would have asked, hey, can we please borrow like a phone or something?
I know where they're hitchhiking. Go ask those people down there. There's like so many people down there.
Yeah.
Be like, hey.
Maybe they had a fight with their crew.
What crew?
And like they're leaving.
Nah, man. They had like the backpackers.
Yeah. That's
big
crazy,
bags.
man. Imagine relying on others to be able to go back.
we drive back at night and they're still there. We'll pick them up there.
Yeah. That's when we'll get them.
Maybe not.
But we're like not talking.
One of them looked weird. Well, both of them would be weird. Sorry, whoever's watching this, and if you do that, you're weird.
Like,
it's weird.
You're weird, but as
just
well,
rent a car, bro. It was
brave.
$100 to rent it.
Yeah, this car was only
$180 for 3 nights. Like, we're telling me they can't afford $180. Their bag alone is like $700.
Wait, between them?
Yeah, but that bag they have is like $700. That big bag.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, they're massive.
Yeah, well, they wasted their money.
I almost freaking crashed talking about these bitches.
Maybe they spent all their money on the bags. Babe, remove your jacket after the turn.
I'm not removing my jacket.
Then what are you doing? Why are you moving it this much?
I have a wedgie.
On the twistiest road.
Nah, we're good. She locked the car? Bring the bag, man. The car keys and everything in it. She's trying to get us robbed, this chick. The hitchhikers are going to take the car. Holy shit. I'm going to die. Wow. Dude, the water's so blue.
Babe. Enough. Baby, it's sewage.
My job is done here. We should have picked a hitchhiker's up. We're gonna get bad luck, I told you.
Babe! Babe, did you shit yourself?
Is there mud on here?
No, I'm kidding.
It's from the rock. It's crazy, man.
Wait.
Why?
Because it's one way.
Dude, that goes through. That takes us to the other side. So how long is this tunnel? Imagine. If it's a 5-minute wait, imagine how long the drive is.
I'm scared.
What if our car breaks down in there?
It won't.
Or if I need to poop?
Well, you gotta hold it for 5 minutes.
Should I get out?
Do what?
Wow. Look at the mountains on top of us. So we're waiting for the tunnel.
I'm full claustrophobic.
Yeah.
I think I can hold my breath the whole time.
I'm gonna put the car in park, man. You'll be here for a while. 4 minutes. James Bond comes out of the tunnel.
I actually have a stomach.
We can't let this guy go in front of us. He's gonna ruin the whole freaking trip.
Pass off, mate.
Prepare to go. Wait.
Like in Mario Kart.
Turn lights on.
On?
See, I told you.
Yeah, there's lights inside. We're going into a tunnel inside a rock.
Bro, look around us.
You've already done this look around.
And look at the tunnel.
Oh my god. Yeah, it is one lane. So right now we're in a mountain. How'd they build this?
Dude.
Yeah, I can't breathe.
What? Are you holding your breath? Dude, do you know how fucking steep it is? Like how downhill it is right now?
Babe, stop freaking me out.
I'm being serious.
Alright, but I don't want to know.
My foot is on the brake. Slamming it.
Shush.
At the end of the tunnel is like just a river and the car just dives in. And then it turns into like a ship.
I need you to be quiet.
Like a transformer. Where'd you get this place from anyway?
Craigslist. That felt like forever.
Oh, is it the bridge now? No, it's still gone. Rockfort area. Bro, what's going on? I was holding my breath this whole time.
That was crazy. That was scary, eh?
That was mad. I want to do it again.
Yeah, on my way back you will.
That was insane.
That was crazy.
Look at the freaking cliff, man. Oh, this is gonna be a steep turn, man.
Are you okay?
I'm good. Maybe. This is where you're gonna get a headache. Look at it.
Look at that mountain, guys, right in front of us. That's insane.
What happens if a giant rock just crushes the road?
Oh, I don't know, babe.
Just take a photo here. Shit. Let's go. He's picking your nose.
I don't itch your nose.
Disgusting.
I don't itch your nose.
So we can't drive up there? It doesn't make any sense. Why can't we drive up there?
I don't want to.
It's weird. It's a long walk too, like 20 minutes.
18.
What the?
Yeah, that's a nice photo.
Some people don't appreciate what's out there until I take the photos.
I think that's our boat.
They leave it out. Go. I reckon it's a bit cold on the ship. Hello. How are you?
No, don't worry at all, thank you.
That's crazy. So we're going on a ship. Hey. We're going on one of these, I'm guessing.
We are waiting to get on the boat to look at Milford Sounds. Apparently this is one of the 8 wonders of... Is it 8 wonders? Is it 8 wonders or 7 wonders of the world? So expectations are pretty high. But look at this. That's freaking so pretty.
We're about to go on a cruise.
Driving cruise.
I'll be the pilot. I'm the pilot. Captain.
Captain.
I'll be the captain.
She'll be the captain.
Smells, eh?
There's these little like
Bugs, eh?
I don't know what they are, like mosquito bugs.
Thanks, mate. Cheers.
Let's go. My nose is blocked, man. For some reason. These flies or bugs. I'm gonna be the captain today.
You?
Huh?
Look at head of you.
You keep having headaches.
I don't know.
That's a mad photo here.
I think it's the altitude.
Do you think? Bro, look at the clouds. Coffee, eh? And a biscuit. Why does it look like that? You want some or you want to share one? Bro, it looks like... Oh, I can't complain. There's more than one.
Oh, nice.
What?
Oh, that looks like you're eating rocks.
It's so hard. But it's nice.
Yeah, raisins.
Peppermint leaves. Where's the leaves at? Hectic.
Go.
These biscuits are so shit, but they're so good right now. There's nothing else here. Like,
I'm really that hungry. I don't like them. It tastes like it's sugar only. Is that why I like it?
no, they taste nice, man.
This is a 28%.
What? Oh wow. That's sick.
But I'm going on my next day's off because here we work like 10 days on, 4 days off.
Do we got?
Like a.
It looked like a guy.
Hey, baby.
So cold. My nose. Wow. We're going pretty quick, hey? So you're saying we're gonna get splashed in the water?
Yeah. At some point.
Hectic.
Sure.
Free shower.
Is it 385?
Seaplane. This is such a crazy view, man.
So about me.
Like, intense. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but it's windy as. But it's amazing. Like, look where we are right now. Look, ready? What do you think of that?
Amazing.
Look at it, man. Look at the trees that's on it, how it's grown on it.
Amazing.
Go there, Alex. Oh, yeah? That's insane. It's so cold. My nose is about to fall off. So cold. But we're on the way back now. On the way back. What do you think of it?
Amazing.
You gotta say it louder.
Wait, they won't be able to hear it.
There you go.
Amazing!
Oh wow! Holy shit! Wow!
You're right?
Wow! That's crazy. Whew. Whoa! I'm glad we went outside. Oh shit! Yeah. That was a quick shower. Oh, it's nice and quiet. What a good day, man. That's so nice. Wow, the light from there. Look at all those trees on the mountains. But if you are in Queenstown, there's a must visit.
Very important to everyone who
Very
lives and
important.
works in the area. There's a small intake at the river above the falls and a pipeline that runs down the mountainside just up behind the terminal building back at the harbour here.
Crazy.
All of our domestic water and drinking water for the area is taken from there. There is no chemical treatment involved, it's only filtered.
That's sick. Thank you. We did it. We survived.
Milford Sound.
Sound full. Definitely recommend to do that.
Oh, this is like a bucket list thing, guys. It's actually amazing.
It was sick. Thank you, man. It's the 8th wonder of the world.
What does that even mean?
I don't know.
I don't know what it means, but yeah, just go see it.
But it's written everywhere. It's oh.
Watch out, it's slippery. You might shuffle for a bit. No, that was good. Really, really recommend. Just the place itself, man. Like, even if you didn't go on the boat, just come here.
No, go on the boat.
But if you can't afford it, watch my video.
Go on the boat.
Anyways, yalla.
Ciao.
Laters.